Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All my dear students, Sir Zishan is over here in front of you, and the topic is Mathematics Class 8th. As you know that the book which is in your syllabus, New Secondary Schools Mathematics Book 8. This is the book for class 8 mathematics, and the topic is set theory. Same topic which I taught you a couple of days ago. Exercise 1.1 and page 13. Question number 1. Write the power set. Number 1, A. Number 2, A, B. Number 3, A, B, C. Before I write the power set, you should know what is a power set. I wrote the definition over here. Look at the board now. What is a power set? The power set is a set of all possible subsets of a set A. That means all the possible subsets are contained in that set, and that set is called power set. So, you understand the definition? Now, let me solve the question. Number 1, A. Only one element. In this set, it's a set. You see how we write the set? Parenthesis, parenthesis, element. So, A is element. In this set, number of all possible subsets are 2 raised to the power n. See, I am telling you what. 2 is constant. Every time you will have to write 2. And what is n? N is number of elements in the set. For example, over here, element, how many elements are over here? Only 1. So, it will be 2 raised to the power 1. Be careful, try to understand this thing, how you will solve it. 2 is constant. You will have to write 2. And look at the set. How many elements are over there in the set? In this example, in this set, the element is only 1. That's why 2 raised to the power 1. It means only 2. So, the power set will contain 2 elements, null set and A. You will have to write in this form phi null set and A, or you can write A and empty set. It's your own choice. You may write phi null, or you may write empty set. Make 2 parentheses and nothing in between of that. I hope you understand the example. Second part, A, B. It's a set, and the set contains 2 elements, A, B. Number of all possible subsets. I told you 2 is constant, so write 2 over here and count the number of elements in the set. A, B means 2 elements. So it is 2 raised to the power n means 2 into 2. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2 equal to 4. So the power set contains 4 elements. Phi null A, B, AB. Look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is that null set A, B, AB answer. I hope you understand the power set. Number 3, A, B, C. Let me ask you a question. How many elements? Look at the board. 3. What are they? A, B, C. 3 elements. So, count the all possible subsets. Formula 2 raised to the power n. What is the power of n over here? 3. Why? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2 raised to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. Most of the students, they do a mistake. And what is the mistake? When they write 2 into 2 into 2, they make its answer 6. No, the 6th answer is absolutely wrong. The reason is that 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. That's why all the possible subsets are 8. I'm making the power set now. First of all, null. First of all, null. Phi A, B, C. Good. After that, AB. After that, AC. After that, BC. After that, ABC. Count the elements now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't matter if sometimes you forget in the order in which you are writing the set. No problem. But it should be a set of 8 elements because 2 raised to the power 3. Last question. In the same way, what I am saying, page 13. Open page 13 of your book. I would like you to solve all these questions. And if you don't understand any question, let me know about that. I'll solve that question for you. It will be a revision now. The procedure will be same. Number 4. 1, 2, 3. How many elements in the set? How many elements? 3. Why 3? Look, the first one, the second one, and the third one. What is the formula? 2 raised to the power n. I'm not writing n again and again. So it will be 2 raised to the power 3. What does it mean? It means 2 into 2 into 2. Don't make the mistake. The answer will not be 6. The answer will be 8. Look, 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 Answer is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Make the power set. Elements of the power set. 5 null. 1, 2, 3. Combination. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. And the last combination. 1, 2, 3. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you have over here? 8. That means answer is absolutely correct. Okay? Okay, my dear son, I hope you understand that. So now, question number 2. Question number 2 is that if A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to B, D, F, G, find A union B and find A intersection B. Dear student, first of all, I will tell you what does it mean by A union B. If you don't understand the definition of union, you cannot solve the question. So, I wrote the question over here. Read the question. What is union of sets? Answer. Union of two sets, for example A and B, is a set whose elements belonging to set A or to set B or to both A and B. I will give you the example. This question is a good example of that. Over here, A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to B, D, F, G. Now, find A union B. Answer, right over here, A union B. Notation is that set A, the U over there, and B, that's A union B, is equal to, write set A over here. Set A, B, C, D. U means union, set B, B, D, F, G. Look, A, B, C, D over there, B, D, F, G over there, B, B, D, D is present in both sets. That's common. Don't write the common elements again and again. Only one time you will have to write it. For example, there is no A over here, but A is over here. I wrote A. Now, B is over here and also B is over here. I will not write B two times. I will write B only one time because B is common. I will show you the Venn diagram, then you will understand the definition of union sets. See, over here, no C, over here, it doesn't matter. D, of course, it's over here. D, it's over here. 1D, second D, 2 Ds. We will not write D two times. We will write it only one time. Okay, so D is over here. Now, no F, but F is over here. Write the F. G, no G is over here, but G is over here. Write G. This is A union B. Answer is A, B, C, D, F, G. Venn diagram. Before I tell you about the Venn diagram, read my note. Read it and keep it in your mind. What is the note? don't write the same elements again and again. It means you will have to write only the common elements one time. What is the Venn diagram? See over here. A, this is set A. Elements, 4 elements. A, B, C, D. Of course, A, B, C, D. Why I did that? The reason is that in B set you have B, D, F, G, B, D, F, G. But the thing is, BD is over here and BD is also over here. That's why I put this thing. So, BD is coming over here in the set A and the BD is also coming over there in the set B. I don't have to write it 2 times. That's why the Venn diagram shows that's the common part and this is the Venn diagram of A union B. I hope, my dear student, you understand the union of 2 sets. It may be the union of 3 sets. If you understand the union of 2 sets, you may understand the union of 3 sets. Open your book, read the question, try to solve the questions. Now come over here, number 2. What is that? It's a sign. And this sign is called intersection. What does it mean by intersection? Let you know. Intersection means common elements only common elements and nothing. Forget about all the elements but take the common elements only. Look over here. A intersection B. First of all, I will have to write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? In front of you. Look, A, B, C, D. Put the sign of intersection. That is the sign of intersection. Put the elements of set B. Where is set B? B, D, F, G. B, D, F, G. Take common only. Where is the common? Yes, I can look at the commons. Only 2 elements are common. What are they? B, D. Answer. Finish. Very easy. I hope you understand. Now, Venn diagram. Before I let you know about the Venn diagram, have a look at the definition of intersection. Learn this question. What is intersection of sets? This is question. Answer. Intersection of any 2 sets, A and B, is a set of all the elements common to set A and B. Only common, only common. Forget about all the elements, take the common elements only. Look the Venn diagram. A, B, over here, AC, BD. I put a shade over here. I will not make it dark. If I make it dark, you will never see it. That's why I put the sign only. AC, FG, common, BD. So, A intersection B is BD. Answer. Dear students, I hope you understand. Don't forget to put your comments if you don't understand anything. Ma salama.